Welcome to another episode by Anziano Consultants. And today, in our tax training session, or in our tax session today, we are looking at rental income tax. Are you a landlord? Do you own an Airbnb? Or you have a property that you have hired out for residential purposes? Then, this topic is for you. So, residential rental income tax, known as MRI, monthly rental income tax obligation, is a tax that is payable to KRA. The tax rate is 7.5% of the gross rentals that you correct. So it is on gross, not on net. So what you correct from your tenants, 7.5% of that is payable to KRA. So the filing for this is by the 20th of every month. So what you've corrected from the tenant, you're supposed to remit to file by 20th and pay to KRA within 5 working days after correcting these payments. So the range of income for you to be registered for this obligation is if you are earning annual rental income of 288,000 annually. So this is around 24,000 per month to 15 million in a year. So 15 million in a year, that is around 1.25 on a monthly basis for residential property. You're supposed to register for this tax obligation and be remitting it on a monthly basis.